Hi everyone, my name is Alex Solorzano from the Herzum team. Here at Herzum, we are an international IT consulting firm and have been an Atlassian solution partner since 2005. We are your go-to team for everything Atlassian. Today, I want to show you how Rovo agents can improve your efficiency. As we just saw in our previous video, Rovo can help you find the correct information when needed, but my favorite Rovo feature is Rovo agents, which can do, well, pretty much anything you ask. Let's start with our Rovo agents review. Rovo agents are configurable and can be called or created by any team member to collaborate and move work forward. Agents can be accessed by Rovo chat. They can be called in automation rules or while editing via the AI shortcut in any Jira or Confluence products. You can start looking for the agent you need on the Browse Rovo Agents section of the chat. Here, you'll find agents developed for your company, agents from Atlassian, and agents bought from third parties at the Atlassian marketplace. Of course, here at Herzum, we can empower your team by creating customized Rovo agents tailored to your needs. You can contact us at info@herzum.com. Now, let's look at some Rovo agents that can be useful to your organization. The first agent we're going to check today is the Issue Organizer. With the Issue Organizer, finding and updating issues in your project is quick and easy. First, let's select the Issue Organizer and let's move on to a project. This agent can move issues into sprints, can assign them to epics, delete all issues, and more. We can ask, for example, the agent, are there any issues without a parent? The agent is going to search through our issues and find all the issues that match the conditions we just gave it. It's going to show us all the issues, the number of issues that match our condition, and it's also going to give us a filter for us to see all the issues. Now we can ask him, can you create an epic and link those issues to it? Now it's gonna give us the description and the summary of the epic we just asked him to create. We can of course edit this, we can suggest other names, other summaries, and it's gonna give us the list of the issues we can add to the epic. We can select just the issues that we need, or we can select all of them. And by clicking create an epic and add the selected issues, we have an epic for all those issues that didn't have a parent. So instead of going and manually linking all of those issues, with the help of Rovo, we can make it a lot faster. This agent can also help us clean up our project. So for example, we can ask him, can you delete issues that are more than a month old? And now again, instead of having us manually going to search and delete each of those issues, we can just select the issues from the list and with a click delete all of those issues. Another thing we can ask the Issue Organizer is to move issues into sprints. Can you move newest issues to sprint? Now the agent has given us a list of the issues that match our condition. It's gonna let us select from these issues which issues do we want to move to a sprint, and it's gonna also give us the selection of sprints available and the status of each of those sprints for us to select which specific sprint we want them to move the issues to. We can select the sprint, and like that, with a click, we can do that, instead of manually having to do each of those steps. And those are just a couple of simple examples of what the issue organizer can do. Of course, with the help of AI, we can get as specific and as complex as needed. Now, let's check another one of the agents that are available to us. Now, let's take a look at the Progress Tracker agent. The Progress Tracker agent gives us a real-time overview of in-flight projects and their priorities, ensures teams have visibility into what's being worked on and what should be prioritized next. Let's imagine we just came back from vacations and need to catch up. Now, instead of going to our team and speaking with each of our team members, we can simply ask the agent to help us with that. So we can ask him, can you give me an update on the project design? Now the agent is going to create an executive summary of the project and the overall status. It's going to give us a list of the latest updates and changes that have been made to the project. It's also going to list all the blockers or risks that are currently on the project, and it's also going to provide for us a filter with the source of the issues where it got the information. Now, we just saw agents gather information for us. We saw them help us organize our projects, but that's not all agents can do. Now, let's take a look at the last agent we're gonna check today and see how they can help us create content. Let's move on to Confluence. Now, the last agent we're going to check today is the User Manual Writer. With this agent, we can create content for Confluence in seconds. For example, we can ask him, can you create a page for me to add my contact information and the projects I work on. Now it's gonna suggest us the page, the content, and the space where we can publish our page. And we can take a look, we can ask him to change anything, and with a click, we can publish our page. Now, if we refresh the space, we should find the page the agent helped us create. And of course, we can ask him to modify or give us suggestions on those pages. For example, we can ask the agent, can you make the content of this page more fun? Now it's gonna review the page we just created, and it's gonna add a little bit of personality on it to make the content more relatable. But of course, we can also ask him to make the content more serious or organize it in different ways, helping us create pages in seconds. Rovo empowers teams to discover knowledge, learn contextually, and take confident, meaningful actions. Thank you for exploring Rovo agents with us today. At Herzum, we can help you set up Rovo for your team and unlock its full potential. If you like a personalized demo or a deeper dive into any feature, don't hesitate to contact us at info@herzum.com. Together, we can help your team thrive with the power of Rovo and Atlassian AI. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!